In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove cloud password in Telegram. If you've set a cloud password, also called two-step verification, and want to take it off, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. Before we begin, a quick note: removing your cloud password means your Telegram account will rely only on the basic login method, such as a code sent to your number or a logged-in device. That's more convenient, but it's also less secure. So make sure this is the right choice for you. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop. The process is nearly identical across Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS, so you can follow along on whichever device you prefer. Make sure you are on the official Telegram app and that you have a stable internet connection so the settings load quickly. Next, open the main menu. On most devices, you'll see 3 horizontal lines at the top left. Tap or click that. Then choose Settings. If you are on a layout where you don't see the 3 lines, you can usually find Settings directly on the bottom bar. The goal here is simply to get into your account's settings screen. Inside Settings, head to Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps all your safety, login, and data controls. And it's the hub for managing your cloud password. Now, select two-step verification. In some versions, this may appear as cloud password, but it's the same place. Open that option and Telegram will ask you to authenticate by entering your current cloud password. Go ahead and type it in to proceed. Once you are in, look for Disable Password or a similar option like Turn Off. Select it and confirm when prompted. After you confirm, your cloud password is removed. From now on, when you sign in, Telegram won't ask for that extra password. Only the standard login method will be used. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as wording can vary slightly. If you decide later that you want the extra protection back, you can return to the same two-step verification or cloud password section and turn it on again. And remember, keeping your device secure and your phone number accessible is even more important once the cloud password is off. That's it. Thanks for watching.